future is yours. Be bold, draw change.
SWAC fans, direct your attention to the 50-yard line. We would like to take this time to honor two Jackson State University students, Staff Sergeant Kyra J. Clark and Specialist Charles A. Brown, who have returned home from an 11-month deployment serving with the Task Force Spartan in support of Operation Spartan Shield in the Middle East. TF Spartan is a multi-component organization comprised of active duty National Guard and reserve units of the U.S. Army. SWAC fans, get on your feet and welcome our soldiers back home. Thank you for your service. The best way to honor our history is to make history. Chevrolet, proud supporter of the Southwestern Athletic Conference. Chevrolet, together, let's rock. Google, proud sponsor of the Southwestern Athletic Conference Football Championship and supporter of historically black colleges and universities. Built for everyone.
Hello? Hi, I'm Gemini.
Hi.
How can I help you?
So I just tweet?
Yes, but ooh.
We can have a conversation about anything you like.
Anything?
Try looking for a small round bolt somewhere on the oil pan.
Got it!
Does the child seem ready for bedtime? No.
And then, dial it down.
Well, infused noodles can sometimes represent creativity. Have you had
Get the all-new Google Pixel 9 series with Gemini Live.
Academy Sports and Outdoors, your official partner of the SWAC Championship, is excited to stand alongside your legacy and pride of HBCU.
This is the start of something forever. Kind that's meant to have outdoors. When we gather, and winter waits. I could tell you this, and make even better times. With the right stuff at the right price. The most wonderful time of year happens here. Academy Sports and Outdoors. Have fun out there.
Gatorade and Tostitos, proudly sponsor the SWAC Football Championship and support HBCU football.
When you need a tool for this dog, you need Tostitos Rest Blast. Optimized for versatility, Tostitos can tackle every plan, big or small. Because if you're gonna do something, do it right. Tostitos Rest Blast. Made for fun.
It feels the best because it is the best. Gatorade, is it in you? Brought to you by JP Morgan Chase. Make dreams possible for everyone every day. JP Morgan Chase is committed to advancing racial equity. Visit JPMorganChase.com/racial equity to learn more.
We should all be equally capable of creating the life we want. And if anyone doesn't feel this way, we'll take it personally. Advancing Black Pathways is doing the work to remove barriers and inequalities that we have. We're actively recruiting students to historically Black colleges and universities and giving Black communities greater access to financial health resources. Advancing Black Pathways is proud to be doing the work because this is personal.
SWAC fans, celebrate your HBCU pride, legacy, and excellence with the Home Depot Retool Your School program. We're 16 years strong and only getting stronger. Learn more at retoolyourSchool.com.
For 15 years, the Home Depot Retool Your School program has been championing HBCUs. We've been right there with campus grants, scholarships, and career opportunities. Winning schools have seen their visions for upgrading their campuses and communities come to life through sustainability projects, as well as new places to connect, like innovation lounges and outdoor pavilions. As we celebrate 15 years of partnering with HBCUs, we're excited to keep the momentum going. Retool Your School. We're powered by purpose.
Ladies and gentlemen, presenting our state and national colors on the Army ROTC program. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting our state and national colors.